Hello. So this video series is created to discuss some of the end of chapter problems on business combination. So this is based on the Book of Milian, Accounting for Business Combinations 2022 edition. So the first problem that we are going to discuss is problem 3, number 6. So in that problem, we are asked to compute for the goodwill. Okay? So, ito po yung ating solution. So, consideration transferred. So, that's the fair value of the shares issued. So, 18,000 shares times 100. So, 1,800,000. So, wala tayong non-controlling interest dito kasi what was acquired or what were acquired were the assets and liabilities, no? All assets. So, diretso na natin, we will compare 1,008,000 to the fair value of the net identifiable assets acquired. So, 3.8 million assets less 1,900,000 na liabilities. So, that will give you fair value of net identifiable assets at 1,009,000. So, this means we have a gain on bargain purchase option because the fair value is more than the consideration transferred. So, gain on bargain purchase, 100,000. No? So, yun po yung sagot natin sa problem 6. So, some explanation. Yung stock issuance cost po na sinasabi niya dyan na 36,000, it's a separate transaction. I-deduct mo siya sa premium, but it is not an addition to the consideration given, no, for the business combination, no. So hindi siya kasama. And then finder's fee, yung 60,000 is expense, so not part of the consideration given. And I think that's it, no. So please proceed to the, wala na ba ibang given doon? Wait lang. I think nakalimutan ko yung meron pa palang isa doon, no, yung liquidation cost of 280, no, yung expected liquidation cost, hindi rin po yung kasama, no, kasi we do not recognize expected costs, no, we only recognize that after the business combination, kapag nagkaroon na talaga ng expense. So that's our answer to problem 3, number 6.